Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to display WordPress widgets in columns step by step in a simple and visually appealing way. Whether you want to organize your sidebar or create a multi-section layout on your pages, this guide will make it easy, even if you're new to WordPress. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your WordPress site and log in using the top right login button. You can quickly log in with Google Authentication by selecting your preferred account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start editing your site. Next, head over to the quick links section and click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can customize your pages and blocks. In the editor, click the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new block. Type columns in the search bar and select the columns block. This block will let you create multiple sections side by side, which is perfect for displaying widgets neatly. After adding the columns block, choose the number of columns you want. You can select 2, 3, or even more, depending on how many widgets or sections you plan to display. The layout choice depends on your content and design style, so pick what works best for your site. Now comes the fun part. Click inside a column, then search for widget in the block browser. Select the specific widget you want to add, like a calendar, recent posts, or a custom menu. Repeat this process for each column, filling them with the widgets that suit your site's design and functionality. Once all your widgets are in place, take a look at your new column-based layout. It's now organized, visually appealing, and user-friendly. You can tweak the spacing, alignment, and widget settings to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully displayed WordPress widgets in columns, giving your site a cleaner, more professional look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.